The backhoe control cover, it was made from plastic and it was so brittle it came apart when I tried to remove the cover to work on the seat. As you see, it's damaged beyond repair, so I decided to make it out of metal. I'm using this scrap sheet metal, it's 16 gauge. I drew all the dimension of this cover and how I'm supposed to bend it and drill it, etc. I took the measurement from the existing box, the ones that's gonna house this cover. And I made sure to take all these measurements accurately, so when I cut it and bend it, it will fit perfectly. I cut it on the lines that I drew, and as you see, it fit perfectly. And I decide to bend it before I drill holes in it and weaken it. I'm using my homemade 4-ton brass, and I'm using flat stock that rounded at one side to give me round edge instead of sharp edge on this control cover. It's a little bit more than 90 degrees. Luckily, I got it right from the first try and it fit perfectly. And then I use hole saw to cut for the control. The control handle, they go through these holes. There was a piece of plastic over here, just like this, in this shape, but it was so brittle and it came apart. So I duplicated by making it out of some sheet metal. It came out real nice and easy. I also drilled a couple screws over here, couple hole for some screws to make it stronger, and I'm using some stainless hardware. There was some bushing over here, brass bushing. They've been molded into this piece of fiberglass. However, the bolts, the old bolts, they were rusted, and 3 of them, they didn't come off easy. So I drilled them all the way. The brass is still there, but I drill them with 1/8-inch drill bit. So these new screws will go in. I'm also entertaining the idea of etching piece of stainless to go over here to show the control diagram. of course I have to tie all these in.